here in Las Vegas for the SEMA 2010 show, and we're here to look at what Audi and Stasis Engineering are up to. And here's a Q5 concept car sporting a 3-liter supercharged engine. For the first time I've ever seen it in this chassis. R10 Supercharged by Stasis Engineering. Their challenge is 710 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. Makes that 5.2 liter V10 just rock.
Specifics of the supercharger, basically we've taken the biggest supercharger offered by Magnuson-Eaton and applied it to this V10 engine. It's a 2,300 cubic centimeter supercharger that puts out about 710 horsepower. And the supercharger is bolted on top of a fully machined billet intake manifold that was developed by us and has its complete independent water system for the intercooler, which is located in the trunk. It has its own water pump that pumps all the water with the radiator that's in front of the OEM radiator.
Hi, I'm here with Rob Simpson with Audi of America to talk about the TTS Pikes Peak car. Rob, please tell us about it.
Hi, how you doing? So this is the Audi Pikes Peak TTS that went up Pikes Peak, that had gone up Pikes Peak. It's a collaboration with Stanford University, Oracle, and Audi. And it's a special car in that it's made to kind of handle at the limits of traction in an autonomous mode, so it can drive by itself. It uses essentially standard components that are off the shelf that we then use to steer the car. And you can see in the back here we have a bunch of electronics that we're using to actually do all the processing. On the top of the car you can see some antennas. It's a DGPS system with RTK correction, which essentially what that means is there is a base station that's set up at a known latitude, longitude, which then communicates with the car while it's also communicating with the satellites above, and it's able to get accuracy of position of around 10 centimeters to 20 centimeters in really good case. So the car really knows where it is, it's very safe, and once we pre-program a route in the car, it tries to use its current position and stay as close to that route as it physically can at the limits of traction. And that's where our friends at Stanford came in. And so they're kind of the experts of creating the stability program that they then programmed into the 2 computers that you see in the back of the truck there. And those communicate with the drive-by-wire systems of the vehicle and then make it all happen.